What's up guys, Raw-Russ here at Tools and Tech. Have you ever thought about using a different operating system like maybe Linux or anything else? Well, today I'm going to show you how. All you're going to need is one of these guys, right? This one's awesome, link below. Linux is awesome. Theo Joe even says that Linux is better than Windows, and that's all he does. So check out his video and you'll see why, but I'm gonna show you how to make this without changing your computer at all. You can just try Linux for the first time. Or you could even boot Android onto your PC with how I'm gonna show you. And no, that is not a pair of squirrel ears. That is a microphone sock for my microphone. First thing, you're gonna need Etcher. Why? Because it works on Windows and Linux, and it's a GUI. And if you don't know what a GUI is, you probably need a GUI. So, go to this site. All the links to everything's in the description. Go here, download it for Windows or for whatever operating system you have. This installer. Download it, install it. It's going to look like this. Put your USB inside the computer. Now you're going to need an operating system. I'm going to suggest this, Linux Mint. That's what I'm using currently, and it's pretty good for intro, or Ubuntu. Either one, you're going to need a .iso file or a .img file. You could even boot Android onto your computer. Then you want to come here, Etcher, right? You want to go to change disk. This is very important. You want to make sure that your disk, your little USB or whatever you're putting this live boot on is chosen and not this hidden file system one. So you select that. Then you want to flash from file. Find your file. I'm going to try this Ubuntu Studio. Cool. We have our USB thumb drive chosen. Flash. Type in your password and let it run. Did I mention if you want to learn how to do this with your phone, check out this video. And we're done. Awesome. Now we're going to shut the computer off, boot it from USB, and restart it. Now when it restarts, you're going to want to go to your menu or your boot menu. So it's different on all computers. Try pushing the F12 key a bunch of times, or the escape key, or the F2 key. You want to get to boot menu. I just push F12 a bunch of times. There. You want to get to this menu. Well, it says USB disk right here. That means we're booting from the USB disk we just created. Enter. So as you boot up, you'll probably see something like this. Just try it. Try or install. We're not going to even mess with anything on the computer. When you're done, you'll go back to the old world or whatever. Now this might look different, but that's it. See, look, try. We're just going to try it. We're not going to install it on here. For free, and it's open source. Meaning they're not hacking and tracking and looking up your shorts on every single thing that you do. That's Linux. So you want to come to your Wi-Fi, you want to connect to Wi-Fi networks or whatever. You want your Bluetooth, you know, it's just your basic stuff. Here's your terminal. Shut down now. We're done. When you shut down, it'll say something like this: remove the installation media and press enter. Do that. That's it. Now you're running Linux or Android on your PC. Pretty awesome, huh? I wasn't going to tell you this, but I got you something. Check it out. It says best friends. Now we're besties, right? But how are you not going to subscribe to your bestie's YouTube channel? What? This isn't weird for a grown man to give his best friend? Anyways, please subscribe, guys. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see next. I know how to do a lot of stuff on the computer, and I would love to show you guys. Please subscribe, like, and you guys are awesome. I hope you learned something.